It's called a Singing Cicada. Okay, this is the old skin, and we are very lucky because we found a alive one. This is the alive Singing Cicada. Okay, right. Yeah, come here. This is called Singing Cicada or Cicadidae. It's okay. I'm holding it. Look at the eyes, big eyes, and it's got 6 legs. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and it's got wings as well. And there's important thing about singing cicada. There's an orange organ here. It's called timbre. So this singing cicada can make sound. This is singing cicada.
Singing cicada.
Or Cicadidae.
Cicadidae.
This is an insect.
Insect.
Okay, it has 2 eyes, 6 legs, and wings. There's something special about singing cicada. There's an organ called timbre. This is the timbre. Abdomen here. Here, look. This is the timbre. The organ with orange color. So it can make loud sound like. Okay.
Singing cicada.
Can fly.
Can fly.
Yeah, you want to touch the wings? Oh. Nice. Touch the wings. Only the wings is okay. I'm holding it. Touch the wings. Yeah. Touch the eyes. Touch this. The head. Yeah, the head or thorax and then abdomen. Touch. It's okay. Look. It. Nah, it's okay. Look. Yeah, it's great. Look, Papa, put it on my hand. Yeah. No. Okay. You touch it. Touch the wings. The head. Okay. Good job. Yeah. The wings. Maybe the wings can move. Okay, there is a funny morning, and we're trying to find more singing cicadas. Okay, we draw a container here. And then let's see whether we can find the whole scene of singing cicadas or maybe the one one. Yes. Look, Papa. It's already done. This is the old skin of the limbs of singing cicada. Yeah. Open it. Put it here. You take one. Here. Take it. You take it. Yeah, I will hold the container. You take it. Here, take it. Take it. Yeah, check it. Good job. Yeah, Neil is brave. Okay, one more. Here. Yeah, Neil is brave. Yeah, take it. Good job. And then this one. And then this one. Wow, there are lots. Yeah. Wow, yeah, 2. You found 2. Okay, check one. I will open the container. Oh, okay, take it. Yeah. Oh. Okay, take the other one. Wow, 3. Good job. Collect them all. The head. Okay, nice. Look what we found. There are so many all skins of Singing Cicada's name, and we are lucky we found an alive Singing Cicada. Yeah, let's go home, okay? And today we found lots of old skins of Singing Cicada's names. Show those skins. So what we found? Wow, how many? Look, there are a
1,
lot.
2, 3, 4, 5.
I think it's more than 20 or 30 skins.
10.
And then we are lucky today we found a alive Singing Cicada. Yeah. Yeah. You saw it and then Papa caught it.
Yeah!
The body? Oh, the head. The leg. Yeah, that's the head. I think that's it for today, our Saturday morning. Bye.
Bye.